Hey guys, so I hope you can hear me again. I say that way too often. Yeah. It's gonna be a tutorial on how to do this sort of weird eye makeup. I'm not sure where I was going with it. Like, I originally planned a 3-flicked wing, and I thought it looked a bit birdy, so I thought I'd add in some dots. There's more on the middle one, and on the inside. Oh my god. As usual, I've done one eye first, and same with the eyebrows as always. I've only drawn one for this video, so in the video I'll be using a Barry M pencil liner, which is cheap, but all their products are either vegetarian or vegan. I think they might be vegetarian. The difference is vegetarian has not been tested on animals, but it has animal products in, like beeswax, whereas vegan won't have any beeswax or anything in. For makeup I just sort of go with what I can. I prefer to use vegan, but it's not easy because most vegan products cost more, so I thought I'd bump some in there. And I feel really bad for using this. I'm just using this up. I'm never buying anything from this company again because they are the worst for testing on animals, and it makes me want to cry. But it's a good product at least, so if you're not bothered about the vegan stuff, then I'd recommend this. It's Maybelline New York Gel Liner. I'm never buying anything Maybelline ever again. I had a better application brush, but I lost it on the night of my Halloween Christmas party and haven't used it since, so I'm using this one, which I often use for lips and stuff as well, or shit in between. It's better to use a thin brush, even better than that, like an angled brush, but lost my angled brush ages ago, and my thin brush here. I'm wondering if Chloe took it by mistake. And mascaras, a vegan one from Lush. I'm going Lush soon, so I'll be buying more makeup, bath bomb and stuff. I've got a £25 voucher. I just need to find the money to go get the bus to Cambridge. I've spent all my money in the last going on piercings, apart from what's in my savings. Well, what's currently lent to mates. This that my mother got me in a free pack for Christmas. It's False Eyelash Effect by Max Factor. It was broken when I got it, like, see that? Yeah, but it still kind of works. It's a bit clumpy, so I have to be careful with it and leaks down the sides, but only because it's broken. I just opened it and it was like that. And L'Oreal Paris. I've used all these mascaras before. Telescopic Explosion Mascara. The ups and downs about each mascara is this one is vegan, so I love it. It's got a small application brush, and it's quite small in general, so it runs out quite quickly. You use it often. I don't know. This one, even smaller application brush, it's just a circle shape, which isn't really for me, but it works quite well. And the other one, I just don't like the brush type personally. I still think this look would be quite good with an eyeliner. So if you have an eyeliner you like, eyeliner, eyeshadow that you think would suit it, then just add it in, adjust it however you like. It might be good, say, doing a dance show and you're like a bird or some sort of creature like that, and you have to do your makeup quickly. It doesn't take too long to do. So like, say, if you're doing yours and maybe someone else's, I'd give 1 to 2 dances on the show in between. Saying a standard dance would be about 3 minutes long. So, pencil line, which is also what I use for my eyebrows. Where did I put my mirror? Hey. Where did that go? Oh gosh darn, there. You just got a nice little glimpse of the mess in my drawers and the mess of my wardrobe I can't close. Also trying to be very careful not to set myself on fire. Candle right there. Which unfortunately I can't focus on because I'm going to use my laptop camera. But I love candles. So I just take the pencil liner and line the waterlines all down the lid. This is easy on yourself and not so much others, so the person you're doing it on can apply this part themselves, then up under it. So you can't really tell, doesn't make much of an effect. Keep getting smoke in my eye because I'm looking down. Go out. No. Okay. Make sure you've got that whole line done. You can line the upper waterline as well, but I can't really be bothered for this video, but it's the same principle. Pull up the lid and bring them above it. Oh, I'm so great at this. Okay, get your gel liner. Just a little bit on the brush. Now some people say to start with a flip. Personally I prefer to start like halfway on your lid. I don't know why. I just need the halfway and sort of go out. It doesn't matter if the first line's like a bit messy because I tend to sort of even it out later on there. Good thing about gel liner is I've only put a little bit on this brush, but it's already done most of that off the lid. So it spreads quite well. This one tends to smudge unless you have a primer on, so like try and look down, otherwise it'll get up here, but if you don't have like anything, any eyeshadow on, it's an itchy eyeball, that doesn't really matter too much. Oh god, now my eyeball stings. I'm allergic to this makeup, so yeah. Now sort of, normally I'd say try and make it even with your lower lid. Oh, my hair's getting in the way. But this time I made it sort of slightly more out instead of completely even, because I thought with the three wings it didn't really look right. Oh, lid. So, take it out. Make it quite long. So that's the original line. And then sort of just drag it in to the base. Oh, must that line up slightly. I'll fix that. With like winged eyeliner it's almost impossible to get them completely symmetrical, but it's okay because your face isn't symmetrical, so who really cares? This is the point where I tend to even out that line. Okay, now sort of just form another line parallel to the original line you made, just above it. And then do the same on the underside. I think I did it a bit better on the other side, to be honest. Yeah. Oh well. Now follow underneath your waterline, the eyeball, connecting it to that lower wing. My nose is running out, I'm not sure why. this is the part where I tend to end up going back to the gel liner pot like multiple times. Look how dodgy that is. You want to try and make it as thin as possible. But I mean, you can make it thicker if you wish. Try not to get into like the wrinkles underneath the eye, because I think it's a bit more awkward to make it clear. Now drag out the extension of the eyeball like I've done here into kind of a pointed shape. I need more liner. Sort of just follow the line of your lids just a little bit. And then make them neat. Try not to drag it out too much for this look, otherwise it gets a bit too overwhelming, unless that's what you want, as I said. And then sort of maybe 2mm away, 3. Just dot. I have a little beauty mark there. It's gonna look a bit funny, but cause I don't want it quite as far as that beauty mark on my side. You can use your fingers to just wipe it away if you haven't got like foundation or anything on. This isn't get in the way. Like, no, it will smudge if you got a foundation on, and then it will just look dodgy. I don't know why this eye's coming out so badly as opposed to that one. I quite like the look of that one, and then this one's just messing up a bit. And then do the same principle, just where the line would be, drag it out by about 1 or 2, 2 or 3mm, and just dot. So then 3 dots for the middle one, and just 1 for the other 2. If you want them all the same, then you can do that. If you want 2 and 3, you can do that. Or just 1s and 2s, whatever you want, personal preference. Yeah, I like to just get the makeup off the brush on my hand, and draw little squiggles. I don't know why I do that, like, it's good to clear out the brush, and I like squiggles. Now just the eyeliner, as I always do, I apply the bigger one first, because it's better for your lashes. So I will probably, in the foreseeable future, be making a video on how to correctly apply mascara, because I was told this a few years ago by a makeup artist. You sort of want to wiggle the brush, and it helps avoid clumping. I can see an eyelash that's gonna come out any day and get stuck in my eyeball. Great. I'm gonna have a fun night of my eyeballs stinging from allergies and stuff. Now this red mascara. I'm gonna do 1 or 2 layers of this. I mean, obviously, if you don't like doing a lot of layers of mascara, then don't. Just use 1, maybe 2. Or do false eyelashes instead. I will most likely make a video as well on how to apply false eyelashes. I feel so lame and girly right now. Like, YouTubers search my girly side, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. Now, you know this mascara can't be good for your lashes because it absolutely smells. That's the way to know. Like, how many chemicals are added in. This one doesn't even say on it. Right. Just stinks. Realised why my nose is running, because my eye was stinging. No, it's this way. You're pretty much done, it's just one more coat for me of the other mascara. No, yeah, because it's broken, it's happening so much. I'm not sure if that'd happen normally or not. I don't really like that. Ow. Oh, my piercing's now been delayed to Thursday. So, if I make another video tomorrow and I don't have it, that will be why. I'm not sure what time it will be yet. Sometime Thursday evening. Which is kind of good for me because my legs are really hurting at the minute. I don't have to walk for an hour tomorrow. Well, today now. It's Wednesday here in the middle of the night. Sometimes with this mascara I kind of get it underneath, so just wipe it away. And leave it on top there, that's fine. Let's finish that. Yeah, this side's definitely better. But yeah, I think it'd be great for like a dance show where you've got to be sort of an animal with wings, or a mythical creature with wings, whatever floats your boat. Black Swan, whatever. Great with mascara. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and all them doodles. Can't find my tongue right now. Great. I'm such a there it is, Cassie First. I'm sure you will love seeing that if you have a phobia of piercings. Sorry. Right, I love you all. Thanks for watching, especially if you're still watching now. Yeah, you know what to do. Links are in the description. Bye.